What is this new app called PC Health Check? Did I got a virus? How I got this app if I didn't download anything? In this video I will show you the answers to all these questions. Microsoft has begun forcing installing the PC Health Check application on Windows 10 devices using a new update. PC Health Check is a new diagnostics tool created by Microsoft and released in conjunction with Windows 11 that provides various troubleshooting and maintenance features. However, its primary use has been to analyze a device's hardware to check if it's compatible with Windows 11. Microsoft says that users who do not want PC Health Check on their system can simply uninstall it using the Settings app. However, users had to uninstall the application numerous times as the applications keep being reinstalled on the next check for updates. So it is not a virus, but for sure it is pretty annoying.